Good morning. It's the 16th of November, 2021, and welcome to our Storm Daily Debrief. Just to do a run through of yesterday's action, I think, we had sort of a market with a stronger dollar. Let's have a quick look at the dollar here, which has sort of made a little bit of a sell-off in our diversified miners and sort of money flowing to other counters in our market. I think the main sort of switch has been out of some of your Anglos and Billies and into some of the tech, Naspers and Process. So just to have a quick look, first of all, at the dollar, US dollar, I think has been quite a key one to monitor. Sort of digested a few levels here around 94.50 and then sort of broke out. And I think we can seriously see that this is starting to be a bit of a breakout now. 94.90 sort of its pullback area, 94.40. I think we could see this sort of spike a bit higher into the year end. And especially you can see at the moment it's taking a bit of the crypto market down with it. So keep a close eye on this dollar. I think this dollar is going to be quite an interesting one to watch going forward into the year end. So ideas for today, I think we're going to keep it quite simple. I think the two main things that we're going to focus on, I think there's been some positive commentary out of China, China relations with the US, and even furthermore, they're talking a bit about gaming. So I think the first one we're going to be looking at, we spoke about it yesterday. It felt like it had turned on Friday, but Naspers is one of them. Just to keep a close eye on this one, I think this one still can go but a lot higher. I think we can see Aussie futures bidding up around 63,800 and heading to all-time highs. And I think the reason for this is because I think we're going to expect Naspers to trade for a while today. So I think if we can get above this 2670 level, we could see it break out to recent highs of the last 2-3 months. The next one obviously is Process. Process is another one which a lot of guys prefer to own. Also had a better trading, a lot better. Let's see how the stock reacts now. I think 1365 is where we wanted to get above for it to really kick into gear. On the short side, I think Anglos is the one that we're going to be watching this morning. I think Anglos is could be under a bit of pressure. Tested that 200 at 593 and pulled back. I think 575 area. 570 is sort of where we will be watching for some support. But this is definitely one that will be on our shorting list this morning. Billy, similarly, another one also that sort of is traded in a bit of a range here with this 396 sort of been like quite an inflection point. It closed below that yesterday. So let's see if this one can maybe test back to 378. I see it's down quite considerably in Oz and might be one to watch. So I think we're going to stick with the winners, Naspers and Process. And look to be shorting some of the diversified miners in Anglos and Billies this morning. That's all we have for this morning. Good luck for today.